Welcome back, riders! If you think your motorcycle is already awesome, just wait till you see these insane gadgets that'll take your rides to the next level. From mind-blowing smart helmets with built-in cameras to powerful Bluetooth.com systems and game-changing tech that'll boost your comfort, safety, and style, we've got it all right here. These aren't just accessories, they're total game-changers for every rider who craves thrill, tech, and control. So, strap in because the ride is about to get seriously high-tech. If you're serious about motorcycle safety, the Clim AI One airbag vest is a game-changer. Designed with cutting-edge tech, this vest instantly deploys an airbag the moment it detects a crash, thanks to built-in gyroscopes and accelerometers that sense impact within milliseconds. That ultra-fast response helps protect your spine, neck, and vital areas from serious injury. It's engineered to be worn comfortably under any riding jacket and includes a CE Level 2 back protector for even more peace of mind. With up to 20 hours of battery life, it's not just protective, it's practical and ready for every ride. Next up is the Cardo PackTalk Edge, and trust us, this isn't your average comm system. This sleek little beast gives you crystal-clear rider-to-rider communication, even in the middle of a roaring highway. With dynamic mesh tech, you get group talk that doesn't drop, voice control that actually listens, and waterproof durability that rides through any storm. Whether you're cruising solo or leading a pack, this is the tech that keeps you connected like a pro. Now for a grip like no other, the Dango design gripper mount. It clamps onto your helmet like a champ and holds your action cam rock steady. Whether you're filming twisties at high speed or capturing mountain trails, this mount makes sure the footage stays buttery smooth. It's compact, lightweight, and insanely secure, making it an essential for content creators and thrill seekers alike. Every twist, every lean caught perfectly. No shakes, no excuses. When winter bites back, the Savior rechargeable heated gloves bring the fire. These bad boys heat up fast and keep your fingers warm even in freezing winds. With 3 temperature settings, breathable fabric, and reinforced knuckles, they're built tough for hardcore riders. Say goodbye to numb hands and hello to total control, no matter the season. Once you ride with heated gloves, you'll wonder how you ever handled the cold without them. If you're serious about your chain's life, the BPA-RACING chain slack adjuster is a must-have. It makes chain tensioning ridiculously precise and effortless. No guessing, no eyeballing, just click, adjust, and you're done. It's a tool that feels like it came from a pit crew's toolbox, now in your hands. Whether you're prepping for a long tour or just tuning up, this little gadget keeps your drivetrain dialed in perfectly every single time. Speaking of precision, light up your ride with the Auxbeam Motorcycle LED setup. These are not just lights, they're an aggressive, style-packed upgrade. With ultra-bright beams that cut through fog, darkness, and rain like a hot knife through butter, they boost visibility and safety while making your bike look absolutely killer. Whether you're night riding or turning heads in the city, these LEDs bring serious attitude to the streets. Ever wish your helmet had Iron Man vibes? Meet the E6 Motorcycle Helmet HUD. This heads-up display projects your speed, navigation, and call notifications right into your line of sight. No looking down, no distractions. It's futuristic, ultra-clear, and keeps your focus locked on the road ahead. From urban traffic chaos to open road bliss, this HUD makes every ride smarter, safer, and infinitely cooler. Let's talk control, because a solid motorcycle phone mount isn't optional, it's essential. This one holds your phone tight through rough roads, off-road adventures, and aggressive turns. It's 360 degrees rotatable, easy to install, and rock-solid stable even at high speed. Whether you're using maps, music, or calls, your phone stays right where you need it. No wobbles, no drops, just smooth access on the go. Sometimes, the smallest gadgets save you from the biggest headaches, like the motorcycle kickstand pad plate. Parking on gravel, dirt, or hot asphalt? This rugged pad keeps your kickstand from sinking, tipping, or shifting. It's ultra-light, easy to toss in your pocket or saddlebag, and crazy useful in unpredictable spots. It's like giving your bike a steady foundation no matter where you stop. Simple, smart, and an absolute ride saver. That's 10 powerful upgrades down. And we're just getting started. Smash that like if one of these already blew your mind, and hang tight for even more gear that's going to change the way you ride. And for when you're low on juice, the USB charger adapter steps in like a hero. Built for bikes and designed to handle rough rides, it charges your devices fast and efficiently. GPS, phones, Bluetooth gear, you name it. Rain or shine, it's waterproof and tough as nails. You won't have to choose between music or maps again. Just plug in and ride without worrying about dead batteries ever again. Let's level up security now with the Bike Alarm Wireless Sensor. This little device packs a punch with ear-piercing sound that triggers the moment anyone even touches your bike. It's motion-sensitive, remote-controlled, and rechargeable. Thieves? Not today, whether you're parked outside a cafe or leaving it overnight. This alarm gives your ride the protection it deserves: loud, smart, and undeniably effective. Need to tighten your chain mid-ride? No worries. The Granite Stash Bike chain tool hides inside your handlebar and pops out when you need it most. It's compact, durable, and cleverly tucked away, like having a mechanic on standby, but way cooler. Perfect for on-the-go fixes or trail emergencies, this is the kind of stealthy tech that serious bikers swear by. Function meets innovation, and it looks amazing doing it. And finally, the Vittoria Airliner Light Trail is here to give your tires superpowers. Designed for aggressive riding and trail domination, this insert protects rims, improves grip, and lets you run lower pressure without worrying about flats. It's featherlight but tough as nails, making every off-road adventure smoother and safer. Your tires will thank you, your handling will improve, and your confidence will go through the roof. So that's a wrap on the most insane motorcycle gadgets every rider should know about. From smart tech to protective gear, every item here adds serious performance, comfort, and style to your ride. Ready to upgrade your setup? All the links are down in the description, so gear up, hit the road, and let your bike do the talking.